No 0 days. Don't let every single day without any progress. Minsan, akala natin, kailangan natin na malalaking achievement every day. Pero, ang kailangan lang natin, kumilos. Kahit maliit lang yan, it still counts. No 0 days means that never let your day without any effort. Example, kahit konting push-up lang yan, konting pagbabasa, or small exercise daily, or improve 5 minutes of your skill daily. Basta, never let your day zero. Because at the end of the day, consistency beats perfection. So, ikaw, ano ang small win mo for today? Just don't make it zero. Good morning.